Sakes the name, Dubai the game, change your lives. Expensive watches, cars, lavish meals, watch how we thrive. Happy days, new trade, and we sharing it for free. Racks on racks and county, just come up and see.
And we are helping people doing the same. Seriously, we are blessed. Life is great. Let's go.
It's by your side.
Good morning.
Good morning.
What's up? Did you have a good night's sleep?
Yeah, fresh man. Also got my breakfast, my first coffee. I've done a lot of work. What are you doing? Sleeping?
Nice. Yeah, almost.
We're going to a city called Billund. So we are going to see like an event there with one of our ambassadors, and then we are going to Aarhus later. But Billund is a very nice city actually. What else are we going to do? Tobias is working, of course. We're always in grind mode, always. He's working, I'm singing.
Life is good, man.
Life is good. Seriously, man, we are blessed. Let's see if we made some money today actually. We didn't check that. So let's see. Can you zoom in on this just to check? It's the real account, right? So let's see, what did we close today? Oh, $7,500 in profit. And it's what? It's almost 1 p.m. And honestly, I had no idea. Imagine that. We're traveling, enjoying the world, meeting with our families, meeting with friends and followers all over Denmark. And making money, and we are helping people doing the same. Life is great. Let's go. Alex, we work with him. He has actually the world's record for doing this shit. It's crazy. It's nothing. And this is one of the small shows he's doing. So that's insane.
Big, gotta do it big, that's the only way to live. I gotta do it big, I gotta do it big, I gotta do it big, gotta do it big, that's the only way to live. Come on, yeah, come on.
Yeah. That man is crazy. He's not normal.
What is the plan later today?
Oh, it's dangerous, man. Can't talk too much about it. No. So the plan is we're going to Aarhus after this. It's like 2-hour drive, 1.5 hour. And we're going to a very nice restaurant, me and Tobias, getting something nice to eat. And later, maybe meeting with a couple of people in Aarhus. And then who knows? International vlog. We are his VIP guest today. You know, it is what it is.
Content alle mulige steder.
Forstår du det?
Ja.
Yes, I'm so hungry. So this is our what, third day or fourth day?
Third day, I think.
What?
Third day or
Third
second.
day. New hotel, new evening. Now we're going up. We have a quick call with one of our new ambassadors, and
Huge one.
huge ambassador. He actually have what, million followers on social media. So we already closed the deal with him. Now it's just the startup meeting. So Tobias will set him up, and then I will take a nap. I'm an old man, you know. And then let's see if I wake up If I wake up, we're going out, burning Aarhus down. If not, we will get the shawarma tomorrow. Okay, let's see. For the light. Wow! Wow! What is that? We will separate the beds, of course. And what the hell is that?
Good morning.
Last day in Denmark. Today, what are we doing? We're going to the barber shop now. I wrote on my Instagram, barbers in Aarhus hit me up, and I got like, I don't know, 30 messages. So I found someone, we're going there now. And then we will go eat one of Denmark's best shawarmas.
And do some content, of course.
A lot of like content
Short form.
is the lifestyle, you know. That's what we do always. We don't even talk about that. It's not even our schedule anymore. That's just like what we do, right? And then later I'm going to Copenhagen, the capital of Denmark, and Tobias. Oh, look at that! Look at that! Tobias.
Just something for Sad.
This is nice.
Big greasy pig.
I don't eat pig. But anyway, like Tobias is going.
Home.
Home city. His home is in Dubai. So his girlfriend and his
Family.
And then I will be in Copenhagen. Bring down Copenhagen. So let's see. I'm gonna meet with a friend over there. We are going to eat something nice. And yeah, let's see what will happen, man.
Something bad is about to happen to me.
Tak.
Lægger penge ind på din konto, og så trader du for dem hver dag. Så nogle gange så tjener du penge, nogle gange så taber du penge. Men i sidste ende... I just dropped Tobias off at the station. He will take the train to his hometown and to his mother and girlfriend, and on my way to Copenhagen. And let's see here, driving on the highway, and I have around 300 kilometers and I will arrive in around 3 hours from now. So it's a long ride. And we have some beautiful bridges I will cross. I will definitely record that.
I've been putting out these hits, motherfucker, who you think that I am? It's Mr. Always Overcome when on the brink of a jam. I'll be damned if I don't ever have the power to thrive. I ain't waiting till my flowers arrive, I'll pat my own back.
So I just checked in at the hotel, and the guy behind the desk or the reception, he knew me. He followed me on social media, and then he said, you know what, I'm gonna upgrade you. So he upgraded me to a superior room or something like that on the highest floor. So yeah, let's see what we will get. 1223. 1223. Let's see what room we will get. And look at this. This is the airport right there. Wow. Nice room. Look at the ceiling. It's nice. Wow. Nice. Look how high it is. Maybe it's better now with light, you can see. Very nice. Very well. And this is where we're gonna eat. Very nice So we are at the restaurant now. I'm actually outside waiting for my friend. There's a lot of people here in Copenhagen. It's so nice. I love this city. This is Senor Akram.
Senores, Olavis. Sartcreme, citronrørsmarven, syltet rødløg, helt tom ham, så det er friteret på for lige at give det ekstra sprødt. Vi starter her. Vores Wagyu sashimi, Wagyu okskylotte.
Wagyu.
Den nyeste på Pandefestival, der er Wagyu.
Go! World's best burger.
Yeah. Salad.
Salale. Vivek, har du det? Og ved du hvad?
So we are done with the restaurant, and this is in the middle of Copenhagen. People are on fire. That was it for now. Denmark, leaving to Dubai. Heading to the airport now. I need to check out. I just got my breakfast. And then home, sweet home. Let's go.
Scoop me duck, got one of my rooms all flooded with gold.
So I'm at the airport now. Got my sparkling water. Whoop. And my avocado shake. And my sandwich is in the bag. And now just waiting for the flight. It has been an amazing time in Denmark. I met so many people yesterday in Copenhagen. It was so nice. And now heading to Dubai, my lovely home. I miss it so much. I love Dubai. Nothing can match with Dubai. Nothing. Look at this. The airport. And soon flying to Dubai. Can't wait. Let's go.
Smoke till I'm high. Castle on the hill. Wake up in the sky.
Let's go. Just arrived to Dubai. Oh, it's so nice to be back. Now home to the family. And up early again for quick workout and a lot of work, a lot of meetings tomorrow. I love this place. I always feel home when I arrive in Dubai. This is my home. We hit the cab now and on the way home. Took like 40 minutes to get our luggage and hit the taxi.
Six the name, Dubai the game, changing lives. Expensive watches, cars, lavish meals, watch how we thrive. Happy day, a new trade, and you sharing it for free. Racks on racks in county, just come up and see.
So, back home. Can't wait to go up in my bed and get some sleep. It's great to be home. Let's go.
It's by your side.